Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to defend and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that scroll down and tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see sound, vibration and mood modes. Just to change them, you should just select one from these available modes. In sound mode we also can use vibration while device ringing, and in mood mode we can use the temporary mood and just the time. If you want to change ringtone, notification or system sounds, you just should click here and just select one from this available sounds. In system sound section we can change level of system and sound volume to change the system sound, and to use touch interactions, dial pad tones, keyboard sounds, charge and lock unlock sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should just click on each of the switchers. Let's go back. If you wanna change the volume of the ringtone, media, notification and system, we can make it here. Just to change the volume, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. Let's go back. Now if you want to change the call vibration and notification vibration patterns, we should just select one from these availables. In system vibration settings we can also use vibration for touch interactions, dial patterns, keyboards, charge and gestures vibrations. Also we can change the vibration intensity. In sound and quality effects we can change here the equalizer settings from normal to the pop classic, just rocking to use the custom one, and adapt sound. So here we can change just these modes here. So let's go back, and that's all of the sound settings on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.